Okay. Here, Ellie, record.
This is fine.
This is what our family does instead of getting a fire extinguisher. Out of there. Mom yells first, "Get the camera!"
I did not approve of this.
Hello, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less. We have a new hardcover with full color pictures and over 1,200 recipes and tips to help you save money on your grocery bill. Check it out at livingonadime.com.
Everybody gets one.
Yeah, I can tell you all about it.
David, open the door and window, please. Actually,
When I take the wrap, it'll help.
could you grab the fan, David?
Those biscuits on fire.
Can you hold it? But bro,
Are they actually on fire?
can you open that door?
You cannot call an emergency meeting while there's an emergency. Yeah. Oh, you want to make more?
Buster Cam. Alright.
Okay, so
This is fine.
Okay, well, BJ, you want a biscuit?
Did any
I
of these
mean-
ones hit the...
No.
Sanitation test.
There you go. Enjoy.
Buster wants in on the action.
I smell smoke. I smell smoke.
We just need the fire alarm now, and then we'll be set.
The bread's good.
It tastes good.
That's good.
Okay, we're showing how to clean it up. This is the professional way to do it.
Mike has a lot of experience.
You have a lot of experience. BJ says make sure the oven is off.
Because if you have a piece of metal between the element and the
Yeah.
part, it'll short it 240 volts straight to the...
This is probably not a good idea. If the oven's turned on, it might actually kill you.
So
Oh yeah. Easy.
BJ said to remove the cookie sheet because it could short and kill you.
No, like turn the power off first.
Turn the power off first and then remove the cookie sheet so it doesn't
Did
kill
somebody
you.
do that, or am I just doing this?
No.
No, I made sure the power got shut off immediately.
The clock is still on. That's different.
Oh, I made a double batch of biscuits too. Oh, good grief.
Oops.
There's our Parmesan chicken trying to get finished, which, brother.
I don't know how we're
Okay.
gonna get the rest of this when the oven is still hot. Your hand is like 3 inches away. Sorry, I just don't want you to burn yourself.
Okay, so here.
Wait for it to cool off.
So if this is turned off, can I take this metal spoon and lift that up and
Well,
you pull out the mat?
He says it's turned off.
I would try not to touch anything electrical with anything metal.
Well, this has touched the element, but the oven light is on, or the.
Okay,
What are you trying to do?
pull this out.
Hold on.
You're not touching the element. You're pulling this out.
Oh,
Just pull the whole black thing out, the liner. I don't know if you can get it with that though. Gently. Yeah, now just slide the whole thing. There we go. Okay. Now,
well,
roll that in half. Is this
wait,
hot?
wait. Yes, it's hot.
No, it's not. It's not hot. Okay. How do the burned biscuits taste?
They're a little shocking, but...
I got that reference. Oh.
Do you want to?
Okay.
If you're trying to cook it, you don't want to turn the oven back on. I mean, it'll
Well-
still probably incinerate the stuff that's in there, but
Do you think that'll smoke too much?
it might. We could try this.
Well, let's try putting the chicken in the air fryer.
We could try and suck it out with a vacuum. Those pieces are warm, but they're not on fire.
Okay. Here, hold on. Say that again.
Don't try this at home. We are professional disaster creators. So we
See?
set something on fire, that's part of our job.
See this bag of flour? This is why I don't buy 25 pounds of flour at a time, because it's a pain in the butt and it's been sitting there for 2 days because I don't want to deal with it.
Same.
I'm being very careful not to touch the oven with this because I don't want to melt it.
I think that'll probably be good enough.
No, that'll probably reduce the
Well,
fire
hit right
probability.
there just a little bit.
Meanwhile,
Do they taste
these are
good?
pieces that I got off the bottom.
There.
It's stuck on. What? You're touching the oven.
There.
Seriously, don't try this at home, folks, because if one of these was like slightly smoldering, it could set your vacuum cleaner on fire when you're like in bed the next night or something. So don't try this at home. Don't do what I say, not what I do.
We're gonna try and finish cooking the chicken.